Welcome to the Traders Help Desk online video collection. This is the market report review for the week of October 24th through the 30th. As you can see, on Sunday night we have an orange report on the yen and two red reports on the Aussie. So if you wanted to trade the Aussie on Sunday night, these two reports probably will move the Aussie. Then at 4:30 on Monday morning we have a British pound followed by a 5 o'clock euro report. Both of these are actually rated orange, so if you were trading, I would not trade because of these two reports. If I am in a trade, I just simply make sure that I am aware at 4:30 we have a market report, at 5 o'clock we have a market report, and I definitely know where to close my position at, just in case there's something unexpected there. But normally these do not cause a high volatility movement. On the U.S. side, we do have the Fed chairman speaking at 8:30. The first thing I do is click on the little folder to see if there's any questions anticipated. In this case, it is not. It may cause the market to slow down and not move until he finishes speaking, but there are no questions anticipated, and that's the important issue there. Then at 10 o'clock, we have the existing home sales. I would definitely not be in the market for that. It is rated red, which means it's a high impact report. Going down to Tuesday, we have a 2 a.m. Swiss franc report, 2 a.m. euro report, and then we have two British pound reports that are both rated red. Now, I typically do not trade the British pound a lot, so this would not affect me other than knowing that there are two red reports on the British pound that could affect my euro trade. Again, just knowing how to get out of your position very quickly is the most important factor on that. On the U.S. side, we do have the CB Consumer Confidence, and at 1 o'clock we do have President Weber speaking on the Canadian side. Again, I simply click on the folder and see if there's any questions anticipated. And as you can see, there are not. So that may cause a slowdown in price action, but other than that, I wouldn't be too worried about it, although he is known for putting his foot in his mouth. At 3:30, we have a Canadian report, and this is a time that I am not trading anyway, so it does not affect me. Tuesday night, we do have an Aussie red report, which will cause the Aussie to move. Wednesday morning, we have three of the euro reports. Again, euro reports, when they are rated orange, will not stop me from trading. And actually, during my trading time, which is after 3 a.m., this would not affect me. We then have an 8:30 core durable goods report and 10 o'clock new home sales. Also have crude inventories, but again, the orange reports are not something that will absolutely keep me out of the market. I am just aware at that time a particular market report may come out. Thursday, we do have a British pound report. Is rated red, so if you're trading in the British pound, that would be the time to stay out of the market. Now we do have, and this is very important, it's a Bank of Japan press conference. If you notice, on Wednesday they have their monetary policy statement and the overnight call rate. So the Bank of Japan press conference on Thursday would definitely keep me out of the yen. Now, if this causes a big market reaction on the yen, you can also see that probably on the euro and British pound as well. At 3:55 Thursday morning, we have the euro German unemployment. We also have the ECB president speaking. Again, the first thing I do, click to see if there's any questions expected, because when there's questions expected, that is when you see the most volatility. And as you see, there are not. At 8:30 we have unemployment claims, and that's really about it for Thursday. So let's go to Friday. Again, Friday you've got a 3 o'clock and 4:30 and 5 o'clock reports on both the euro and the British pound. You can also see that these are rated orange. So the most important thing to know is what time these reports are coming out. They normally do not change the direction of the market, but I do know how to close my position very, very quickly. And that's the most important thing to remember. 5:30 you have a Swiss franc. This will cause the market to move because it is rated red. You also have a red Canadian report. I would not be in the market for that. And then you have the USD advanced GDP at 8:30. So when I'm looking at the market around 7:30, you're probably going to see a quick movement at 7:30, and then it kind of goes dead until these market reports come out. Now you also need to really look at this. Saturday, the Swiss franc, the euro, and the British pound daylight savings time shift. The United States is not going to shift this year until November the 7th. So they are changing their time about a week ahead of us. What does that mean? Well, instead of opening at 3 o'clock, they are going to be opening at 2 o'clock. So that's going to mean that if you want to trade the London session, you will need to get up at 2 a.m. instead of 3 a.m. So this is really important information for anyone that trades on the London session.